So, welcome. Now we are going to start with the day's work today. In day's work concept, where we have been given many courses and distances for the day, and we need to find out the final position and the final course and distance we have made good. So, a lot of calculation is involved in this, but it's not through chart. We are doing through scientific calculations. So one way, two ways are there. One way is using the traverse tables, Norie's tables, and one is from your formulas and scientific calculation. So today we will see how to do with scientific calculations, and so that you don't need to carry these heavy books and all. And the easiest way we will do. Traverse tables is also quite easier, but you should know how to use. And the answer in both cases will be same only. So whichever method you do. So let's start reading the question. Question says a vessel sailed from this initial position 2742 north, 17842 east, doing 15 knots by engines. She steered 067 degrees compass, deviation 3 degrees east, and she was steering for 10 hours. Course was after 10 hours altered to 096 degrees compass, deviation 1 degree east for 8 hours. Then after that, she steered 230 degrees compass. So remember, this is compass course, 230 degrees compass, deviation 3 degree west for another 6 hours. Find the position arrived. So we have to find the final position. Also, we need to find if she is experiencing any current. If she experiences a current setting 3 to 4 degrees at 2.5 knots, so current rate and given. So we have to find a course at distance made good and variation 7 degrees west throughout. So we have so many courses, distances, hours of transits and current and this. So that's all what all things we have to apply. So first we'll convert the compass course to true courses, and then we have to convert it to cardinal points, and we create different columns for different legs of this. So we make a table like this with first column as courses and distance, and then different legs on different columns. So first course we are given 067 compass and deviation is 3 degrees east. So error west, compass west, error east, compass east. So deviation east to compass east. So we will get magnetic course. So compass was least, so magnetic will be more. So we add 3 degrees to 067. So we get 070. And then variation 7 degrees west is given in the last throughout. So again, error west, compass west. So we subtract. So 070 minus 7. So 063 is our true course. Since it is 063, so in cardinal terms, it will be north 63 east only. So we write in the cardinal term, then the distance, so 15 knots for 10 hours, so we 15 into 10, so 150 nautical miles is our distance. So same we do for the first, second, third course. We get the true course, cardinal course, and the distance. So like you see the third course, the course is coming, true course is coming 220 degrees true. So we convert it into cardinal terms, south 40 degrees west. Then last column we will apply for the current. So current is 3 to 4 degrees. So we convert into cardinal, north 36 west, and 2.5 miles, and total is 10, 8, and this. So we for total time we put the current. So that will be like one more leg of this thing.
सर कुछ वॉइस नहीं आ रही है।
So you can see here 10, 8 and 6 hours, so 24 hours. So 2.5 knots current, so 24 hours, 60 miles. Now we will go and we have to prepare the next main table. That is, if we didn't had compass courses, we had true courses, then we would make that this table directly. So we put the true courses, distances, and these other columns for delight and departure. Delight departure will be in two columns. One is north south, and departure longitude is in east west. So then we write the formulas. Delight is equal to distance into cos course. Departure is equal to distance into sine course. And we have the courses. That's why for this formula in cardinal points. So we will take the cardinal courses, and as per that we will do the naming of latitude and departure. So we calculate the first DLAT. Distance is 150, cos course 63. So we get DLAT as 68.1. So we have northeasterly course, so latitude will be north. So we put now departure. Departure we put distance again same 150 into cos sine 63. So we will get 133.7. So this departure is east from the northeasterly course. That's why we need to put in cardinal course. So from scientific calculator, we will get departure and daylight for each leg, and then we will add all of them to get the final daylight and departure. So due east means you are going towards east, so your course will be 090. So since there is only east component, so we will not calculate DLAT because DLAT will be 0, and departure we will calculate 120 into sine 90. Even if you calculate, you will get the answer at 0, so no issues. Then the third component, course is south 40 degrees west, so distance 90, 90 into cos 40 will be our DLAT, and departure we are going westerly, so distance into sine 40 will get departure that we have put here. And here this 57.9 is our departure westerly, and 68.9 is our daylight. Same northern daylight and this. So now we will get total north is 116 and total south is 68.9, and then departure is 253.7 on the east side, and on the west side is 93.2. So we will get the resultant north south, so total 116 north minus 68 south. So we are going 47.7 miles north. So all these distances are in miles. And then for departure 253 minus 93, so 160.5 minutes miles east. So departure latitude was given to us 27 degrees 12 minutes north, and delat we got 47.7 north. So the arrival latitude will be 2759.9 north after adding. Now we need to calculate the mean latitude. So mean latitude is nothing but we add the departure and arrival latitude and divide by 2. Or if you just divide the DLAT, that is 47, divide by 2 and add to that, then also you can do. However, so 27.27 degrees 35.9 miles is our mean latitude. So we need mean latitude for calculating the D long. So we calculate D long departure upon cos mean lat. So departure we got 160.5, cos mean latitude we got 2735.9. So we add this to the initial latitude. We were given 178.42 east. That is our departure longitude. D long we got 003 degrees 01.1. So arrival longitude is 181 43 point east. But 181 longitude is not there 180 east. So it will be on the western side. So subtract from 360. You get 178 16.9 minutes west is your arrival longitude. So as per the figure, you can see that you were going from 178 east to 3 degrees more east. So this is your east, 178 east, and you are going. So because you are going 090 direction further east, so that's why you reach to more west, 178 16.9 west. Now we have to calculate the initial course. So course formula is tan course is equals to departure upon DLAT. So our total departure was 160.5 and DLAT we got 160.47.7. So resultant departure upon resultant DLAT is equals to your tan course. So course is equals to tan inverse of this, so 73.4, and we name it northeast because finally we are moving northeast as we saw the resultant departure and DLAT was northeast. So our course is northeast. So true course will be 073 degrees true. Now to calculate the final distance,
Final lat
and now we calculate the final distance. No? So distance is equals to DLAT upon cos course. So DLAT is resultant DLAT and cos course we got 73. So total distance we will get from here, or just we can verify also. So we got the total distance as 163.1 nautical miles. So these were all the things which we wanted to find out. Initial course, distance, arrival latitude and longitude, which like position finding we do sometimes in chart work, but here we are doing by formulas because distances are more, it might not fit in chart and it's simple calculations. So whenever you are given many legs, there is a chart work method which you could get confused with like your missing course. So if you see like this so many this thing and you have compass courses and deviation and this thing, and you see there are very long distances you are sailing for 10 hours 8 hours which will not fit in the chart, so you can do by day's work, or either ways you can do normally also. But like recently in second mates paper in October, there was a question where position was not coming on the chart, so they solved it by day's work. So that's why I wanted to do day's work today. So I hope everything is clear, and thank you. If you have any comments or questions, you can always ask. Don't forget to like and subscribe.